How would I learn SolidWorks if I could start over? So the problem is that most of the people don't start with SolidWorks at the beginning because anyone can learn a few tools. You can go to the YouTube, you can watch few tutorials, how to learn extrude and other tools, right? So that's easy part. And most of the people can do this by themselves. So going from 0 to 1, it's not a problem. But the problem is when you have to model something from scratch, something that's from real world, something that's more complex. Then you don't know where I should start. What tools should I use? Then errors start appearing. So then there are thousands of problems and you find yourself staring at a screen. And this is the hard part of learning SolidWorks, of getting good in SolidWorks, right? So it's not going from 0 to 1, but actually being able to model with precision, with design intent, and design logic. And myself, when I started learning SolidWorks at school, we learned basic things there, but then I had to go from one to professional designer, and I spent years and years going through trials and errors. Literally spent a lot of times staring at my screen. And the reason why that happened is because I didn't have any structured learning, right? So you can't just learn tools. Once you learn tools, now you have to implement these tools. So you have to see how they work through examples. Then after you have examples, now you have to do this by yourself through mini projects, through exercises, and so on. So you go from basics to intermediate to more advanced exercises and projects. But if you want to go faster from 0 to advanced, you have to follow the breakdown of that exercise or project from someone who is already on the advanced level, because they're going to explain to you why we use this tool, why we use this modeling approach, and then you understand the whole process of designing. So that's the fastest way to learn CAD design, SolidWorks, or any other CAD program. So you have two options. You can do it by yourself. It's going to take more time. For sure, you can get it there, but it's going to take more time. Or you can follow some structured path. So that's totally up to you. The only thing that you're going to lose along the way, the first option, is you're going to lose a lot of time. And that's why over 5 last years, I've created a bunch of SolidWorks courses, and I've rolled over 50,000 students through different e-learning platforms to my courses to teach students and designers this modeling approach: tools, examples, exercises, and projects. Now, if you want to accelerate your SolidWorks learning, you can check out on the link below. I have my best-selling course, SolidWorks Launchpad, that will teach you part design, assembly, and drawing following this path. Also, you can check it out my free SolidWorks Core Tools Handbook. So I show you there basic tools. If you want my SolidWorks course that also teach you all of these tools, but also exercises and examples, so when you find yourself with a new project, you know exactly where to start and what to do. You can also check it on the link below.